So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. I wanted to communicate two things to you. Today is 1st March and it is expected that in this week NEET notification is going to come. It has been significantly delayed, but hopefully it is going to come in this week. I want to tell you two things. One, what is my wish list from NTA now that they are going to finally announce? It ultimately depends on them, but I want to still express my wish list. The second thing is I want to tell you in the remaining 120 days, exam is expected. It is not guaranteed. It is expected as per me. As per the logic I understand, it is expected in June end. In the remaining 120 days, how should you organize yourself? These are the two things I want to cover. First thing I want to cover in terms of my wish list is, I want internal choices in the paper. Internal choices means 180 questions should come from reduced syllabus. You know that board exam happened on reduced syllabus, which means in schools they only taught reduced syllabus. A lot of students who did not join classroom coaching, online coaching, they were dependent on their school to study. If they do not give internal choices, they are susceptible to court cases and litigation, right? Students might say that we were not taught and we are at a disadvantage compared to those people who got coaching or who got online courses, right? So 180 questions from reduced syllabus and 45 questions from balanced syllabus. This internal choice should be there in the paper and students should be required to attempt 180 questions out of this, right? This is the first thing. Second thing, I want the exam to be conducted twice. Why? Because a lot of students who are going to write the exam for first time, they would be under so much pressure. They worked so hard, everything will depend on 3-hour performance. This is not the way to conduct exams which are very, very important in your lives. Those exams should be conducted multiple times a year. This year twice, probably 4 times next year, and they should take up to 10 to 25 times so that students can write at their convenience and don't feel the pressure of what if I'm not able to perform in those 3 hours. Third thing, as per me, my wish list days should be last week of Sunday, which is 27 June for the first one, and 25th July, which is the last week of last Sunday of July. And fourth thing is, it should be online because these internal choices can only be provided if the paper is online. These are my 4 wish lists from NTA, but whatever it is, whatever NTA wants to decide, that is perfectly okay. It is going to be acceptable to all the students, but they should decide quickly so that this uncertainty goes away, right? Second thing which I want to cover is, what should be a 120-day plan? You have to focus on your 5-step preparation, which I've explained again and again. You will see these 5 boxes till NEET exam. I will continuously keep telling you this thing because this is the way you can organize your preparation. Decide your mock test dates. Before that, whatever syllabus is coming in the mock test, you should complete it. You should do a revision. I've written 30 hours now because if you see our test, the next test on 14 March is completes 11th syllabus, which means 50 chapters of class 11, which means you would find it difficult to complete it in 15 to 20 hours. Take more time, doesn't matter. A lot of you would now be completing the syllabus also, so give more time for revision. So I am recommending 30 hours for revision for longer tests. Complete 11th, complete 12th or full syllabus. 30 to 40 hours is okay. After that, write the mock test. That is the third step. Fourth step, do a postmortem. Identify weak areas. On the same day, after you have written the mock test, you have seen the solution, figure out what your weak areas are. And before the next test, fix your weak areas. You have DPPs available. There is a DPP generator. Guys, it is not on the app right now. It is taking us some technology problem to fix. It would be there in 5 to 7 days. Please don't worry. Till that time, do it on the website. Generate DPPs on the website. We have also provided you short duration revision course. So these are the 5 steps you have to again and again follow. Decide your dates of the mock test. These are the dates in NEET Prep Test Series. 14 March full 11th, 28 March full 12th, and after that full syllabus. 4th April, 18th April, 2nd May, 16th May, 23rd May, 30th May, 6th June, 13th June. Just decide your dates, and before that these 2 steps, and after mock test these 2 steps. This is your strategy. This is your plan. This is your timetable. Everything gets organized around it. And if you do this, you will see significant improvement in your scores in mock test, and you will develop the confidence to go and crack NEET exam. You will develop the confidence to go and write exam in a proper mind frame. So hopefully you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I will answer. but keep your focus. Don't get distracted. Any news that comes about the NEET exam, we will guide you through it. We will tell you about the news. You need help with respect to filling the paper, filling the application form. We will guide you on all of those things. But right now, keep your focus on studies and don't get distracted by anything else. I want your promise on this thing in the comment section.